Electric vehicles are here to stay, and the time to prepare is now. Road transportation is responsible for a significant portion of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicles are one way to curb carbon waste. With an increase of EVs on the road, charging stations at residential properties and communities will soon be a necessity and no longer an amenity. Our experts are here to provide one-on-one customized solutions, preparing our clients for this fast-approaching future. EV Charging Made Simple helps boards and communities streamline the often technical and time-consuming process of installing EV charging stations. Our 4-step program breaks down the process, prioritizing the long-term goals and needs of our clients. We determine limitations and effects of existing infrastructure, coordinate an on-site assessment with a qualified electrician, vet solution partners on behalf of the community, negotiate lower prices, and act as a consultant throughout the project's lifespan, turning a community's EV charging plans into reality. FirstService Energy experts ease what can be a complicated process, navigating each step with our clients. Invest in your community and the planet alongside a trusted energy advisor with EV Charging Made Simple.